Let's have a look at how you can create inventory agent installation packages for your environment. An inventory agent installation requires two components. First, the inventory agent application that scans and sends the information. And second, a configuration file telling the agent what to scan, when to scan, and where to send the scan result. An inventory installation package must always contain these two components, and the configuration file included in the package must be adapted to match your inventory requirements and a valid server endpoint in your environment where the collected inventory data should be sent. On top of the agent application and the configuration file, you can also include scripts to expand the agent's inventory capabilities. Some come with a Windows agent by default, but there is also a possibility to include other standard scripts, like the Oracle scanner, that is able to find additional licensed features and options installed on your Oracle database servers. The package builder will help you compile the inventory agent application, the configuration file, and optional scripts into an installation package ready to be deployed to your computers using a deployment tool or an AD group policy, for an example. Before you start the wizard to create your very first package, I recommend that you have a look at the documentation and configuration templates found in the Help menu in the upper right corner. Downloading a configuration file template is a good starting point when creating a new agent. Having a template to base your own configuration on will speed up the creation process and will also ensure that you do not forget to include important or mandatory fields. The configuration templates are XML files and can be opened with any text editor. If you're familiar with XML, you will have no problems understanding the structure. But you probably want to read up on what the different settings do and what values you can use. You will find all this by using the links under the Learn More heading. This will take you to the documentation portal. In addition to the configuration templates, you will find the full description of all available inventory agent settings. Browsing through this, you will find that there are a lot of settings that are not included in the configuration templates, but can be added to tweak the agent behavior. We will have a look at some of the most commonly used and required settings in the following videos, but for the full reference, this is where you will find the details. You will also find information about the optional scripts that can be included in the agent packages here, describing their purpose and their dependencies. In the next video, we will have a look at how you use the package builder wizard, and after that, we will take a closer look at the agent configuration file.